So Google has just released their new chatting app called Google Allo, and let's go and take a look at what the Allo is all about. Basically, this app has one of the features called Google Assistant, which is basically the text form, or you can say that the chatting form of Google Now, and I'm really looking forward to testing that because I'm not sure many people are going to be using Allo when WhatsApp is around, and I'm not sure that I can convince my friends or family to start using another chatting app. I'm more interested in using that Google Assistant on here. I already use Google Now a lot, so let's go ahead and see what Google Allo is all about. So let's get inside the app and see. Okay, we need to give Allo some access. Okay, I will allow that. I will allow, and same. Okay, so I have just signed in with my number and they send me a code and I put in the code, and now I'm all set. And this is the front page of Google Allo, and I'm all set to chat. Now I can send a message to my friends, I can start a group chat here, or I can talk to Google Assistant. You can see that Google Assistant has already sent me like 3 messages already. So let's go ahead and see what these messages are. So Google Assistant is like welcoming me here. Hi Junaid, I'm your Google Assistant. I can help you find what you need and get things done. I may use your device location. Okay, you can use my device location, because without device location I don't think Google Assistant is going to be very useful for me. So okay, I will give you access. Allow. There you go. So okay, I can have some subscriptions. I can ask it to send me daily news or send me a poem. I can ask it to translate things, sports updates, weather, travel, going out, like restaurants and movies and stuff like that, news, actions. And my assistant, fine, if I am bored I can go there, I can play games. Now okay, that is interesting. Let's go ahead and see what it is about. I'm not sure what type of games it can play, whether it's going to download it from the Play Store or it's within the app. I'm actually intrigued, so let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Okay, so it can play chat games, quiz games, doodle games, classic games. Okay, let's go ahead and play classic games. Okay, tic-tac-toe, solitaire. Okay, let's go for tic-tac-toe. Oh, okay, so I can play it right here in the app. I can play a game with Google Assistant right here in the app. I don't have to download any game or anything else. I can just play it right here. So I'm the cross. Okay, let's see if I can beat Google's intelligence. No, it's a draw. Nice, actually I like that. Okay, so I can change from here whether the game is easy, medium, impossible. Let's go impossible, and definitely it's not going to let me win with it. And there we go, it's a draw. So if any of your friend luckily is using Google Allo, you can actually play this game with your friend. Let's go and play solitaire. Okay, let's go easy. I haven't played solitaire. Okay, I actually like this, right? This is right within the app and you can actually play from there. So let's go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Okay, like it. So whenever you tap on what can you do, it gives you all the options, all these options. You can also type in what you can do and bring up all these options here, and it will give you a whole list here, and then you can go ahead and use any of that. You can simply ask it any questions. I'm a fan of Pakistan cricket team, so I can just write Pakistan cricket team updates. So let's go and let's see what it answers here. So it tells me that Pakistan are playing West Indies today at 9 p.m. and it gives me all the schedule here, and that is nice actually. That is very useful. What can you do? And then you can increase the size and decrease the size. This basically represents shouting or just whispering. So let's go ahead. You can actually use this when you're chatting with your friends. Okay, so there it goes again. Also ask it to do certain actions like set a timer, set an alarm. So it can set a reminder, it can help with the calls and agenda, it can show you photos and emails and more. So here we go, show me my emails, calls, Starbucks and stuff like that. Okay, set a timer, there you go, 5 minutes. So you get the idea. This is basically your assistant and it does things that you want it to do. Basically with Google now you are interacting in the form of voice. You're calling it to, you are actually asking it to do things using your voice. But with this you are actually writing. It's like you are chatting with Google Assistant and asking it to do stuff for you. So let's go and ask it something. What's the weather like? And it's going to tell me the weather of my location, and there you go. And then you can go ahead and ask, what about this weekend, what about tomorrow, send me daily. Okay, so here comes the subscription. If I ask you to send me daily weather updates, it's going to send me daily weather updates, and it is going to ask me time. So okay, so send me weather updates 10 a.m. every day, and it's going to do that every day. Now that is nice, that is one of the features. So that is one of the features that I would like to have here, a Google Assistant that is helping me with my stuff. So that's nice and I like it. So let's go ahead and see what other things it can do. What can you do? There you go. And okay, we have gone through subscriptions, we have gone through going out, weather, actions, games, sports, my assistant. If I'm bored, I can simply ask it to recite me a poem and stuff like that. So it's a really nice little thing here that we've got. Okay, so I'm bored, I can find you funny pictures, videos and jokes. Okay, recite a poem. And so let's see what it does with this one. And there you go, we have got a poem here, and you can then again go for subscriptions, or you can ask it for one more, random fun, who's Lord Alfred Tennyson. Okay, so you can you can ask it for all the questions regarding this poem. So I like it. Basically it's a nice way of killing time and asking it to do some stuff. Okay, so let's experiment with something. Start camera. Okay, so it can basically do actions on your phone as well. So you can ask it to open any app and it will do that for you. So up top you can see that this is the preview edition. So maybe the full edition is coming, but I'm really impressed already with this preview edition. It's a really nice one, and well, you have got the idea of what it can do and what basically it does. You can play games, you can ask it to send you daily jokes, daily weather updates, daily news updates, and you can play games with it, and you can do stuff to kill time. It's your assistant. Ask it to do anything that you want it to do. It can search for you on the web, it can give you answers if you have a particular question. I am bored, tell me a joke. Smart golfers always wear 2 pairs of pants in case they get a hole in one. Okay, that's a bit funny, and I actually like it. So it's a good one and I like it. I think I'll only be using this app for Google Assistant. So that was Google Allo. I think it's a nice app, but Google needs to do a lot of improvements in this app. A lot of customizations need to be done. It's a lot behind WhatsApp. The only thing that's unique in this app right now is the Google Assistant, which I am really liking, because even if you are not using it to chat with your friends, you can use it to chat with Google Assistant. And it's a nice little trick that Google has up its sleeve, because you can kill time, you can get information, you can play games with it. It is your assistant. It will get better over time using your information that you're putting in it by typing and asking questions and asking news updates. So it can really get better over time and can be really helpful little assistant in the future. So that's what the Google Allo was all about. And go ahead, I'll put the link in the description. You go ahead and download it. It's just got available here in Pakistan. So, and give your feedback how you find it in the comments. You can also subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.